Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to change your task switcher style on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you don't like the Samsung's default recent app view like this, recent app view, as you can see, this is the current app view of your recent apps. So if you don't like it, you can basically customize it with grid, stack or slim version using the Home Up app. So let me show you how to do this. So first we'll go ahead and open up the GoodLock app. In the GoodLock app, we'll go ahead and open up a module called Home Up. Turn this feature on and then go to Task Changer. Turn this feature on. And now you have an option of 3 different Task Changer view. So you have a grid, which will basically show you like a bird's eye view of what apps are open. You have the vertical list, so your apps are going up and down. And you have a slim list. So the slim list will basically give you a more minimalistic look. However, it won't show you any preview of your windows. Down below here, if you choose the vertical list, you can go ahead and choose a circular list. So instead of going up and down, they'll go like a semicircle. So if I should show you here, as you can see, it's going more like a curve. So it's completely up to you what you want to choose. So you have smoother multitasking and a fresh new look for your recent app screen. So there you go guys, that is how to change the task switcher style on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.